Hi, this is to show you how to fix Qlikview when somebody notices that the data is old, that it's not showing the most up-to-date information. And you'll know that, I'm on the US Fundraising app, you'll know that because this date down here on the bottom left, this date should be like yesterday's date or even today's date. If it's like several days old, then that's a problem. So the way to fix this, it means that we need to rerun the data dump and then refresh two different Qlikview applications. So the first step is to rerun the data dump, and I open Task Scheduler from your list of programs, and the job is called Qlikview dump. So all you have to do is press run. I'll do that now. And then Demand Tools will open up. So you can see Demand Tools opened up and it's running. It has to export all 2 million records, so this will take some time. I'll pause the video. So once it's finished, note that there are two demand jobs that have to run. The first one is called Donations SF2, and then the second one is here. It's running Constituent. So we can see it's literally about to end. So when it's finished, it disappears. The program disappears. So those two jobs take about an hour to run. So once Demand Tools closes and is finished, you have to go to the Qlikview console. Now I have it bookmarked, but this is the address. And there's two things you have to do. So I'm on the first tab, click the thing here. It's this one. SF Builder QVD. Just press the triangle and that'll run. It'll go from waiting to run. And then you could refresh it down here. And it's running. This does not take long, maybe a minute. And so what this job is doing, it's taking those new files, those new CSV files that were just exported, and it's converting them into like a Qlikview format. It's called a QVD. It's like .qvd. So this is finished. You could keep refreshing it until you see the word waiting. So once that is done, then these are the two apps that you have to run. So you can actually run them at the same time. I'm on US. Click that, and then I'll click this too. So actually the UK one will run once this one is finished. And that's it. Then once those are finished, you can go back to the actual app, and chances are this date will be today's date or yesterday's date. And that's how you fix Qlikview. Now, another quick thing to troubleshoot is when a new staff member can't see Qlikview. So the way we do that, go back to the console and go to Documents, and let's say it's the US Fundraising app that the person can't see. We need to add the new user to the app. So I click these two, and I'm going to US FY20, that's what it's called. And here you can see the list of users who have access. Oh, actually, click this, it's a little easier. Okay. Again, it's the same thing. So go to Distribute, and click this little thing, and we're going to add the new person. I'm just making up a name. Enter their name with the asterisk, press the magnifying, and then add them and press OK. I don't know who that is. I'm just going to delete it. Okay, I'm going to cancel. And then once you add them, press Apply. And then actually go back to the status, and then you have to run it again. So it will now be visible to that new person.